Again, historical things buried among modern shit, shops and little restaurants and crap. Restaurant something. And look at that, a gun emplacement. Wow, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful building. Beautiful building. There's another one circular also like this one. And this is original from the 1800s, 1870s, 1860s, 1870s. There's a door up there like a observation post, and then the guns up there. I don't know. Let's see the other side. Horrendous architecture. I guess they were trying to mimic that. Look at that. What a fucking crime. Oh my god. That shop is built right on top, right next to that beautiful part of the fort. And here's the, so it's a fort actually. Yeah, and it's open. Let's see over there first. Damn. What a shame. My god. I'm having an abortion here. Looking at this. God. Built right on that. Just like this stupid fence. So it's a fort. It's a fort right next to the gate. I don't know if I should keep on going. I don't want to get in trouble here or get a dog to bite me. Wow. Fuck it. I'm going round and round. Wow. A historical Prussian fort turned into a parking lot and some stupid shops. No sense of preservation here. The sign right there says 1785. So this old fort, I was gonna go in, but I can't. That dog is gonna attack me. So this fort is, wow, amazing. I'm just appalled. 1785, and it's just a pile of dump. All the shit accumulated against it. Look at this. All those buildings built against it. What a shame. What a shame. At least they haven't destroyed yet. I would not be surprised though. Hey, there's another fort just few meters from the other one I found in the other side of the BC Avenue, in the same story, you know, full of shit, makeup buildings and stuff. These things need to be preserved. Look at that. This wall is original. There's the moat. This is already Kaliningrad. The other side, you're outside the city of Königsberg. The other side, well, there's the river over there, and in the other side you're outside Königsberg. Here you're inside Königsberg, and this is one of the first line of defense forts. And across right here, those are German buildings, you can tell. of course recondition and recondition and recondition. And that old building over there,